Hello guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making Yuca Chips guys. But before I cook, please don't forget subscribe me. Thank you guys. And I'm going to use 4 pieces of Yuca. I'm going to cut it little pieces first guys. I got it all of them guys. And the yuca is supposed to be cut a little bit thinner guys. And because my knife doesn't work, so what can I do? So anyway, I'm going to add half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of garlic, and half tablespoon food coloring. And I'm going to add 200 milliliter of water. Mix it a little bit first guys. Okay, so right now I'm going to put all the yuca, mix it with the salt water. Mix it well first guys. And now I'm going to take out all the yuca guys and leave it for like 2 minutes, let it dry before you fry it. And the oil when already getting really hot, fry the yuca little by little guys. And make sure the yuca doesn't stick together guys, so keep mixing it. Almost done guys. And when the yuca already turned like a little bit brown, so I mean it's done. I can take out all of them right now. See, it's brown like this guys, mean it's done. Okay, so you have to take it out. Okay, I fry all of them guys. And I like spices on my chips, so I'm going to put like a little bit of chili powder on it. And I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper too. It's spicy and crispy guys. It's good. Thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you so much guys for your sub, for your love and support. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys and have a great weekend. Bye guys.